Thank you for the introduction and magandang gabi po sa mga viewers. Nandito na naman ang inyong lingkod, Nika Navarro. And today we are going to share about how to help other kababayan back home, back in Philippines. So let's introduce our special guest, Ju.
All right, our special guest today will be Miss Madeline Arenas, and I'll go ahead and let her be online. All right, take it away.
Hi,
Hello.
Madeline. How are you?
Hi, good evening po sa inyo. Good evening sa lahat. Magandang araw sa Pilipinas.
And thank you so much for being our special guest today at i-share mo sa amin ang iyong story. So, to begin with, who is Madeline Arenas?
Madeline Arenas, isa po akong portrait photographer. I specialize in newborn and family photography and also event photography. I've been doing this career for 13 years na po.
Oh, 13 years. Is that your full-time or just the hustle?
Full-time
like
po.
a side business?
Full-time for 13 years.
So you're doing like events or you're on location or you have a business or store?
On location po. I set up my studio at a client's house and then I bring the props in the background.
Okay. So let's talk about Jollybox PH. What is this about and how this foundation started?
We started doing sending boxes to the Philippines since the start of Yolanda, which was sunod-sunod na yung pag-box namin.
Wow. So Yolanda was